Hello all, welcome to Tech Easy.
In this video, we'll see how to fix Windows Media Player issues or errors on Windows 10 or the 11 laptop. For both the versions, the steps are similar. For example, on your computer, if you're trying to play any video, MP4 or any format video, and if media player is unable to play that video, there may be a lot of issues. You can fix that by clicking on this Windows logo key, then clicking on the settings. Right now this is on my Windows 11 laptop. Okay, what if you have Windows 10? I'll tell you that one also, just to follow. So under apps, previously there used to be option something like optional features, but now they are moved to system. Under system, if you scroll to the bottom, just scroll to the bottom, see here at the bottom there is an optional called optional features. You need to tap on this. What if you don't find this optional features? Here on the search also you can search something like optional features. So if you come across this, you need to double click on this so that this will open this area only. What if you don't find in the search too? If you're having on the Windows 10 laptop, just press Windows logo key plus R as you run the run command. So run command prompt will open. This is the pop-up, and here you need to search as same operational optional features. So there is no space, nothing, directly you need to search like optional features. When you click on OK, this pop-up window opens. This is for the same on the Windows 11 also, Windows 10 also, sorry. And here in the search bar, you can search as Windows Media Player. See here. First, you need to remove this from your computer. What we are doing is, we are just uninstalling this app and reinstalling it. So, whatever the problems or issues or errors, whatever this currently this window media player is facing, all will be fixed with this one single step. So yeah, this may take a few minutes, means few seconds like that. It probably take less than a minute. See here, it has been removed, and now I'll try to add it by clicking on this one, add an optional feature. So yeah, I'll click on this, and now I'll search for Windows Media Player. See here, it is now available. When I check this, when I click on next, when I click on add, it's again gets added to the computer, to this particular laptop PC computer. So once it is added, just restart your computer and now try to play any movie or video using this, any clip using this Windows Media Player. And please do comment if your problem is fixed. If your problem is fixed, so others will read the comments and get to know that this is working. Or if it is not working, just do comment so that I'll try to answer you. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.